All right, y'all. So I'm live, but I'm gonna just start off by saying welcome back if you have been tuning in. Um, what's today's date? The 25th. Cool. And let's see. It's been a whole day. I had to go visit my family and everything. So you already know I had to do that. Um, yeah. So I took a day off of streaming. So but I'm back. Um, Gotta say this. Man, ICT is the GOAT. The past I traded actually pretty good on I think it was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Yeah. So basically, just started studying the market maker buy and sell model again, and I'm starting to actually get it. You know, ICT gets really into it in depth. And sometimes when he does that, it throws me off. So when I find someone that has an easier way of explaining the stuff to me, sometimes it breaks down easier. But also, if you haven't taken a chance to look at the video that ICT says with the secret order block and the way bro, you gotta look at it. It's ridiculous. That's gonna be. I'm gonna review that probably on the weekend, probably one of the other days, Saturday or Sunday, one of the two. Probably Saturday, and then Sunday I'll do like a weekly overview of what I would like to see. But anyway, let's get into tonight. What I'm expecting on a daily time frame. Oh yeah, by the way, let me just get out the way. Your boy AB, the ghost don't want to be sued or anything like that. So let me get the disclaimer out. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a finance professional. Whatever you see on my screen is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Whatever happens on my chart and when I trade might not happen for you. Whatever happens in the past might not happen for you in the future. Whatever I do, you might not be able to do. And if you do make money in the future, you're not also guaranteed to make money, and vice versa. If you lose money, you're not guaranteed to lose it. You already know what I'm saying. I had to throw the disclaimer out so I won't be sued because your boy don't got no money. You know what I'm saying? So I have to. That's why I'm here. That's why we all here. We here to make some money. So I had to throw the quick disclaimer out there so y'all won't come back to me and be like, "But you said it." Nah, nah. I don't know. I didn't have amnesia. I don't. Disclaimer is there just for that purpose. So let's get into it. So quickly, it's not going to be a long video. Um, uh, See this nice order block here. So I'm just targeting that. I'm taking it there and then going towards Friday's, close, which I'm pretty sure is gonna close above this candle that we are in currently. So just taking it there and then riding it back. Once I see probably could come back up here though. It could. But then, like I said, we'll get in and hold on for dear life. That's what we do. We hold on tight. Uh You see this liquidity has been taken here, so it's actually fairly good. We like to see liquidity taken first. That's always been a model, the model. So liquidity here has been taken beautifully, beautiful. And right now I'm currently in a sell. I was like throwing myself into different trades and everything earlier, but I was just testing the waters. You know what I'm saying? You gotta test the waters. You gotta practice. But now I get it, and we're gonna go for gold now. Not gold literally, but gold for greatness. That's what we here for, greatness. Here to do our best. And I'm just here sharing my my journey. So let's go down to a smaller time frame. 5 minute might be too small to like get things going. But so I did get in a sell, and the reason why is because when I did see a market maker sell model appear, it was a small one, but it was beautiful. Uh, I had to take I had to take a little taste. I had to try it out. I had to see it for myself. So I actually got in a position right here. I got in a position right here, targeting this. It literally came to this breaker. On here is not showing it pretty well, but it did go there. And when it went there, it was beautiful. It was really beautiful. Uh, price almost came back to it, but it didn't quite. No, actually, wait. Let me look on my MT4. I mean MT5. Okay, yes. So this is the. All right. So I actually got in here in the fair value gap. It was yes, right here, went right above the high, took liquidity there, and then I entered for the sell. So if you know market maker series, and it was slow doing that, getting in there. So you have three portions. You have the consolidation, manipulation, and the actual move. And even though this is a small one, it actually worked. You know what I'm saying? Even though it was during like no kill zone, I seen that the trend was a downtrend. As you can see, we're clearly going down, but we're on a 1 minute time frame. So when I saw that, I was like, you know what? Let me try and see if it actually works on a smaller time frame. So I got in. I got in this area here. Got in this area here, and I actually wrote it down all the way until London, and it kind of did some crazy reverse and came up to this level here and then broke down. I'm still expecting price to make its way to this level here, taking out these lows. They're like now fairly equal lows now. And if you know, um, that's what we like. We like to see equal lows. So that's basically what I'm waiting for at this time. That trade was just a see and do type of thing, just to see if it would work on a 1 minute time frame, and it actually did. And as you can see, it actually happens fairly a lot. Like here's one zone here, and this would be considered a market maker sell model again. And look, and then after it did this, it sold off again. So I'm like, wait, I saw it doing this, and once I saw the pattern, I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. And then I saw this, so I said, all right, let me take it here, and then bow, got in the sell, and then it just literally wrote it down all the way until this little reversal looking thing. Price is like literally hunting right now. You know how it does at the beginning of London. So right now, it looks like it's breaking down though. The price will probably come up here and then fall, or I'm sitting comfortably. I'm not panicking or anything. But yes, on the dollar, let's look at the dollar. Let's go back to the daily, and I just want to show y'all something. So, all right, it's like weird how this just happens like that. But yes, let's go to the dollar. So yeah, let's look at this dollar real quick because price is acting up. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, the dollar did make it into this zone here, but it didn't hit where I wanted it to. It was fairly close. But who says that it can't go back up? Because London really starts at three. You know what I'm saying? London starts at three. So we could see that push up into this 50% area. I see buy side liquidity there, but I would like price to come back in this area here for us to take it higher. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's what I see, and that's what I'd be saying I want. But I know we don't always get what we want, so we got to be patient. That's all we can do. Sit there and let price do its thing. But I am seeing price tagging this sometime during London, and then we'll get a little drop. Might not come back all the way down here. I don't know what I was thinking. Might not, it might. But once price gets up there and we see a little reaction, then we react. And that's all that's part of the game. We would like to react. But yes, if you haven't seen ICT's video on like his secret video of like the ICT order block, guys, you gotta go look at that. That is fire. It's a fire video. It's a long video, but it's fire. Like I think I watched it twice. It's in 2 days, and I'm just like I was blown away. I was blown away. And then I started watching some of the Market Maker series again because I watched it like 1,000 times, and I still couldn't figure it out. But then I watched like a couple of other people like Zusi, and Zusi's pretty good too. Uh, Young Cat, dude, I believe he's still in school, and he's killing the market. So it's it's crazy. But there's Zusi, um, there's IC, of course ICT, and then there's this dude. I have to shout out him. I have to shout him out because Surrey FX, Sirui, man, bro. Shout out to this guy here because I'm gonna keep messing up the name. You know what? I'm subscribed. I subscribe. I just subscribe to yeah because you have to once you see this video, like it puts everything together. It puts a lot of things together into perspective, and it just it's just crazy. Um, what else did I want to look at? Oh yes, GJ and EJ. GJ. Now let's go on a 1 hour chart with this because there was a couple of trades that I did say something about. It was the G's. It was GJ and GU. Uh EU had a good run too, if I'm not mistaken. Um it was sad a couple of videos ago. If y'all haven't, matter of fact, if you look at the last video, I I I showed it again because we caught it in real time. This person sadly said to buy EU literally like less than 1 minute, right? It was less than 1 minute, less than 1 minute. He said to, I'm trying to, I think it was right here. Yes. No, it wasn't there. Where was that big? Oh, right here. It was right here. Yes, this big news event right here. All right, look, it was sad. I couldn't believe it. He said to buy EU right in this box. And if you look at the video, you will see I already had the box. I had the box there already. But Lord, as soon as he said it, less than 1 minute later, it fell, and I couldn't believe it because I'm like, why would he say buy? And we're literally going down. Like I don't. It fell crazy from up here. Why? What made him say it? And I still want to know. Like I really want to know. Like it was like no, it wasn't textbook, but it was like a clear signal that it was going down. Like it was sad. It was crazy. I felt bad. I still do. And whoever took the trade with him, I feel bad. Like I'm sorry. But and that's why I stood on the sideline. I did lose a trade, but I did also tell everyone that GU, I said, yo, you know what? You could probably sell GU from right here. Boom. I put the thing there. I said it. Bow. S- As soon as I saw as soon as I saw EU fall, GU fell too. And if you go on the video, you'll see this is a possible trade you can get into right here. Boom, bow, and it was good. It was a good. It went and actually killed the low. It went crazy. It actually was. We was going for this low here, and actually hit it quickly, fairly quickly. But yeah, and like I said, it's light. Um, Friday. I don't. It's not gonna move. I don't think it's. Well, we have Powell speaking tomorrow, so you already know what that means. Whenever he speaks, it gets crazy. So maybe during the day during New York, it might not move in the beginning, but actually, it might be. Let me see. Let me double check. It might be some news. Might be some news. It's 10 o'clock news, and then 10:05 Powell speaking. So yeah, you already know when Powell speaks, the market speaks too, and it goes crazy. So you gotta prepare for that. Um, I'm not gonna trade when he speaks because when you obviously you guys know when he speaks, it just be throwing everything off. And there's a lot of things going on with BRICS and Africa dropping the dollar. I just heard that. So yeah, that's basically all I see right now. And we got GU going crazy from here, from this level here, and it's just like fighting to go up. So we'll see. Who knows? I'm still waiting for GU to come down here. That's basically what I'm waiting for. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. If yes, then it's good. Um, yo, subscribe to this. Subscribe if y'all not following ICT, please like subscribe to the channel because I knew there was something missing when I started trading. I knew there was like something great out there, a concept or something. And I knew that smart money by itself wasn't enough. So I said to myself, you know what? I got to I got to find something. And one of my boys, shout out to my boy Lil, he he put me onto ICT, and I'm like, yo, this is what we needed. It took me a while to like really understand because, like I said, his videos are really long, and you have to watch it like 3 times because sometimes you're probably gonna fall asleep. And if you don't fall asleep, you want to grasp everything that he says, and you want to like take notes, like actually take notes. Uh, so yeah, shout out to my boy Lil for putting me on ICT. And then yeah, subscribe to this dude right here. If y'all want to know how to catch like weekly swings, subscribe to him because he just put me on. I'm gonna try it out a couple of times. I'm saying, looking forward to it. But yeah, that's basically all I have for today. Short video, nothing to go crazy about. Just remember, Power speaking tomorrow. So if you're watching it right now, just know there's gonna be something crazy, most likely. Just watch, just wait for it, and that's it. Yeah, that's all I have. So just stay safe. Happy trading. See you next time.